I'm a googly owl.
What you doing?
Playing
Yeah.
with this.
With this. What is this?
In the first video, we did with Sayuri.
This is the part 1 of our...
I love them.
of our Kiwi Crate monthly subscription.
And you might wonder where Sayuri is.
Yes, where's Sayuri?
She doesn't want to do the video.
It's okay. So we're doing part 2 of push and pull toys from our Kiwi Crate box. Yeah? So, let's see here. We did what you just saw was the push puppets. And now we're moving on to our woven turtle.
Can we do 3 of them?
3 of them what? Oh, the 3?
Do we do 3?
Let's see.
Or do we do 2?
We'll see how far we get or how long it takes, okay? So, actually, the woven turtle has 2 parts. Part A, weave your shell. So
How do you weave the shell?
They're gonna show us. So, first you need the shell piece, which are these. Then you need your yarn, which are these. And then light blue sticky foam. Right here.
And the turtle part.
Well, I think that's the part 2. I mean, part B.
And also the googlies are in here.
Oh, yes. And that's the last
most
part.
Most important, like.
Huh?
Most important, like. I said most important, googly eyes. I said googly eyes.
Googly
most important.
Yes, very good. Okay, pick a color of yarn.
Oh, blue.
What do you mean pick a color? I think we have the dark green and the light green.
Oh no!
Oh no!
There's too many colors and I can't decide.
It's only 2 colors.
But
this one is for something else. Yeah. So I don't think it matters because I think you're gonna end up using both of them anyways. Which one you want to start with? This one? Okay. So use light blue sticky foam to tape the yarn to the middle of the shell piece. Okay, so here. And then you're gonna do this. Look.
ah!
Uh-oh.
I broke it.
There you go.
You like this. It's not really sticky.
Wait, is that it? It's much bigger, huh?
It's not.
Oh, not this one.
It's not
this
sticky.
One. It's the light blue sticky.
It's not sticky.
Okay.
It wasn't sticky.
It's the light blue one, not
And
the
that
dark
wasn't
blue.
even sticky.
So let me show them which one it is. That one. This one is what we're looking for. There, that makes more sense.
I'm ripping it.
Need help?
No.
You got it.
Where?
Like this, look. Don't cover the hole. Okay, perfect. Wrap the yarn around the left side of the shell piece. Tab and up through the right side. Oh, look. 1 over, 1 under. 1 over, 1 under. Done. Now, okay, line up the hole. Okay, so now we're at part B. Finish your turtle. Step 1. line up the hole in the middle of the completed turtle shell with the hole in the turtle cutout. So here's the turtle cutout, and this is the turtle shell. Yeah, you want to switch? So we're gonna line up the hole.
Yes.
You made a woven turtle. This is cute.
Good. I can't.
Yeah, that's good. That's perfect.
I wanted to.
Memers did it.
I wanted to do the
Now,
same like this.
Guess what we're doing? A turtle race. My turtle's name is Speedy, so I wonder if my turtle's gonna be fast.
Mine's nerdy.
Okay, so nerdy.
So I think it's gonna win nerds.
Yeah, probably. So we're gonna need our turtle. We're gonna need small beads. We're gonna need.
I don't have one.
Yeah, there's 2 in there. Then we're gonna need our blue sticky foam. We're gonna need our kiwi crate box. Oops.
Look how everything.
Look at everything. The pull string. And the straws. Is there any more straws? Oh, right here. More straws. Alright, let's see. Stick the straw onto one corner of your kiwi crate with blue sticky foam. Alright, you ready? Let's actually do it on this side. Okay. Alright, here. This is what we're doing.
Can you get one?
Yeah, I think. Here, let's do one side first. Right here, like this.
Why is this not sticky?
Like this.
Why is it not sticky?
It's a little bit sticky.
Not mine.
Alright, so we're on the floor. And it says to unwind the pull string, wrap one end 3 times around the leg of a table, then tie 2 knots. So we're gonna tie this around. Tie it into a knot.
I was doing nothing.
Nothing. Alright. Okay, then
I wasn't doing it. I was just doing it.
slide the string up the table leg until it's high as the top of your completed turtle shell. Okay, so as high as here. And then thread the string through the straw on the turtle and the straw on the box. Okay, we're gonna. Oh, we gotta unwind this completely.
Can I do it?
Mm-hmm.
It's made.
Right, let's see. Let's see how this is gonna work. Oh, look, Mia, look. There. So we're gonna have a race. As you raced your turtle, you were using physics. Your turtle starts out lying down with the string loose. When you pull on the string, the tension in the string makes the turtle stand up straight. Its feet shuffle a tiny bit forward.
Mine's gonna win.
Then, when you let the string go, the tension goes away. The turtle plops back down and its head moves a tiny bit forward. When you tug over and over, the string tightens and loosens, and your turtle shuffles along to the finish line, little turtle. You want to have a race?
Yes. Set.
Go! Your turtle's going crazy. Your turtle's going crazy.
Let's restart.
On your mark, hold the box on your side. On your mark, get set. See, you see how you need to have it really tight there. You see? Look. Okay. Okay, nice and controlled. Ready? On your mark, get set, go. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Tie. It's a tie.
Mine won.
One last time. You ready? Last time. You ready?
Hang on.
Okay. On your mark, get set, go. We made our little woven turtle. We had a race using tension. And do you give this kiwi crate thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up! Yay! All right, guys. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Right now.
Until our next video, please remember to give us a thumbs up.
Hit that notification.
Yeah. And